Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome back for another math lesson with me, Miss Harwood. My cat this morning, oh my gosh, you guys. My cat this morning decided it would be fun to try to make a mess in my learning area by spilling all of my pom-poms. He is such a troublemaker. But I thought that we could work together to count all of my pom-poms and make sure that they were all still there. My cat may have taken a pom-pom to go and play with, so I need to make sure that I still have all 100 pom-poms. Let's see if they're all still here. What a mess my cat made. But let's get ready to clean them up. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Thanks for helping me count all of them out. Let's move on in our lesson today. Our learning target for today is I can identify 2D and 3D shapes. For today and tomorrow, we're going to be reviewing all of our shapes because it's been a while since we've had a chance to talk about the different shapes that we've learned. So today, we're going to be identifying or naming those different 2D and 3D shapes. When I say 2D and 3D, that means either two-dimensional or three-dimensional. And remember, dimensional, that's a big word just for saying how something is measured. We are going to sort our 2D and 3D shapes today. But before we get started, I would like to review the different 3D shapes by having you identify them. As I hold each one up, I want you to shout out the name of them. Are you ready? Let's start with an easier one. What shape is this? A cube. This is a cube. Good job. What is this shape? A sphere. This is a sphere. What is this shape? A rectangular prism. This one was the tough one. A rectangular prism. What is this shape? A cylinder. This is a cylinder. Okay, and what is this shape? Pyramid. This is a pyramid. All right, and our last 3D shape, it's one of my favorites. What is this shape? A cone. This is a cone. Nice job identifying all of those 3D shapes. Now, let's get started sorting all sorts of 2D and 3D shapes. You will not need any materials for this activity. So let's go get started.
This is my sorting sheet. You can see that 2D shapes will go over here and 3D shapes will go over here. As I show you each shape today, you will need to first identify what the shape is, then tell me if it goes in the 2D column or the 3D column. Let me show you how to do this activity with our first shape. This shape here is a circle. We all know what a circle looks like. Next, I need to think to myself, is this shape 2D or 3D? I know that 2D shapes, we can see it go top to bottom and side to side. But with 3D shapes, we can also see that it goes from the front to the back. I can't go front to back with a circle like this. I don't see the back of it just holding it like this. I just see the front. So that means that the circle is a 2D shape. So I'm going to put it in under my 2D column. Since I've done the first example, let's do the rest together. All right, our first shape is, what's this shape? A rhombus. This is a rhombus. Is a rhombus 2D or 3D? A rhombus is 2D because it goes side to side and top to bottom, but I can't see the back from here. So it is a 2D shape. Let's do our next shape. What shape is this? A cube. This shape is a cube. Is a cube 2D or 3D? A cube is a 3D shape. It goes top to bottom, right here, side to side, and I can see the front, and look, you can see the back from here too. And it kind of pops up. It pops off of my hand, unlike the circle, which doesn't really pop off of my hand. So a cube is a 3D shape. So we're going to put it under a 3D column. Our next shape is going to be this. What shape is this? A cone. This is a cone. And is a cone 2D or 3D? A 3D shape. This cone is a 3D shape. Look at how it pops off of my hand. You can totally see it pop up in my hand. So a cone is 3D. I'm going to put it like this. This is our next shape. What shape is this? A square. This is a square. Is a square 2D or 3D? 2D. A square is a 2D shape. It doesn't pop up out of my hands like the cone did. Okay, our next shape is this. What's this shape? A rectangle. This is a rectangle. Is a rectangle 2D or 3D? 2D. A rectangle is 2D. Look, it doesn't even pop up off of my hand. It only goes side to side and top to bottom. I can't see the back of it from here. So a rectangle is two-dimensional. Our next shape is this. What shape is this? A rectangular prism. Let's say that one together. A rectangular prism. This shape is a rectangular prism. And is it 2D or 3D? Is it two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Three-dimensional. This shape is three-dimensional. Do you guys see how it pops up off of the paper? It's 3D. A rectangular prism is 3D. Our next shape is this one. What shape is this? A hexagon. This shape is a hexagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. This shape has 6 sides. So this is a hexagon because it has 6 sides. And what is a hexagon? Is a hexagon a 2D shape or a 3D shape? A hexagon is 2D. So we're going to put the hexagon over with our 2D shapes and move those up so we can have some more room. Our next shape is this. What shape is this? A cylinder. This shape is a cylinder. And is a cylinder two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Is it 2D or 3D? It is 3D. It's three-dimensional. A cylinder is three-dimensional. It pops right up off of that paper. Hopefully it won't roll away. I'm going to stand it right up. Our next shape is this. What's this shape? A trapezoid. This shape is a trapezoid. 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 Is a trapezoid two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Two-dimensional. Trapezoid is two-dimensional. You can go side to side, top to bottom, but we can't see the back of it. It doesn't pop up like our cylinder does. Our next shape is this. Can you tell me what shape this is? A pyramid. This shape is a pyramid. And is a pyramid two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Three-dimensional. This shape is 3D. It's three-dimensional. It pops right off of that page, so I'm going to stand it right up there. Our next shape is this. What shape is this? A sphere. This is a sphere. Not a ball, a sphere. It looks like a ball, but the shape is a sphere. This is a sphere. And is a sphere 2D or 3D? (3D). A sphere is 3D. It is three-dimensional. So it's going to go in our 3D column. Our last shape is this. And what shape is this, everyone? A triangle. This shape is a triangle. And is our triangle two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Two-dimensional. Our triangle is two-dimensional. It is 2D. It goes top to bottom, side to side, but we can't see the back of it. We finished identifying and sorting all of our 2D and 3D shapes. Great job. Now it's time for your assignment today. You will need to find two 2D shapes and two 3D shapes for today's assignment. You could find these in many different places all throughout your home. I also have a challenge for you today. Your challenge is to write down the names of each of these shapes that you find today. Once you have found those shapes, so two 2D shapes and two 3D shapes, 2 and 2, that makes 4. Once you've found those shapes, take a picture and send it to your teacher to show them all that you have learned about shapes today. So get out there and look for those shapes, and I'll see you tomorrow.